Well, a very good morning. Today, we're over in Celebration. Grabbed some coffee, sat on some rocking chairs, and now we're just going to do a tour around one of our favorite spots here in Orlando, and that's Celebration. And this is just a few minutes away from Disney World, but this is one place that we can come morning, afternoon, night, have a good time, relax, grab some great food, and enjoy the ambiance. So today, I'm going to take you around the area, show you some of the different places that we've eaten, and give you a little bit of a review of each. Stick around.
Alright, we're going to throw something really tiny for you. Get away from my foot, though. There you go. Merry Christmas. I don't think that's probably...
He's gonna jump on you.
Do not jump on me. I'm not feeding the whole world. This is my breakfast.
Oh, some of us aren't eating today.
Wait, you just hit my foot. Did you really just tap my foot? Ow! He's tapping my foot.
So we're gonna start our tour here at the Celebration Lakeside Park. Every once in a while we'll come down and they'll have food trucks lined up all this way that you can grab some food at. Usually night times, and they do this, in advance. They'll put up some notices, but we're gonna head out this way to Front Street, which just wraps around all throughout the lake area down there. So first up on our tour is Columbia. Now it says gem of Spanish restaurants, and 100% this is a gem. We stumbled across this one day, not sure what we wanted to eat, and the food here was amazing. This is the first time around. Amazing food. So probably a couple months ago we decided to come back again. Oh my god, blew the first time out of the water. And I think this is one of the last places we've eaten at Celebration before everything happened. Wow, it's amazing food. Amazing food. The ambiance inside, nice and open. Service is decent, but the food, oh my, some of the best food you're gonna get in Orlando, hands down. I mean, it's just amazing food. I can't stress that enough. And they do have like a little bar area to the left. Yeah, you guys can eat and get drinks at. That's kind of on this side of the restaurant. And I'm pretty sure you can order off the main menu. And again, the food, unbelievable. It's probably one of my favorites in this area. So next up, we come to the Celebration Theater. Now, since we've been coming for the last 2+ years, we've never seen this used as a theater. So I guess this was once a theater way back in the day. Give you a little look at the front here. Box office and the entrance. Not sure if they'll turn this into a theater again. And this way is the lake area. Lots of seating. That's a fountain that they usually have going on at night. So let's keep going down. And at night this place gets super crowded. Parking, very hard to get. Very hard. It's a Saturday morning right now, and we had no trouble parking. Or I'm sorry, Sunday morning right now. No trouble parking. So next up is Kilwins, which is ice cream, chocolate, and fudge. And right next door, Wolfgang Bakery. Now we came in here one night, and the first times we were here, and we just walked in, checked it out. I was like, wow, it's like a really cool store for your pets. See, they have some outfits, signs, pet candles, cups. They have Gumby down there. It's odd, but whatever. But this is just a really cool store. They even have treats for them too. And right next door, Les Macaroons French Pastries. Here, as the name implies, you can get macaroons, or macarons, or little round cookie cakes, or whatever they are. So you can get those here, and it's beautiful inside. It's like a French inspired. So really cool place in there. Next, we come to Ari Japanese Cuisine. One of the very few places we haven't eaten at, and I really want to eat at. This is more sushi, and the rolls here are really, not expensive whatsoever, and good variety. Again, this is one place I definitely want to eat at. You got some outside seating. We never see a ton of people here, which is always why we deter ourselves and not eat here. We always end up eating somewhere else, and we're going to go through those now. So next up is Di Antonio's Cafe. This is the Italian restaurant. This is another place we have not eaten at yet, and someday we will. I'd like to actually eat at every single place here. And they're closed until further notice with everything going on, so hopefully they reopen soon. So now we're on Front Street still, and this is Market Street. And every Sunday, minus today because of everything going on, they have this awesome farmers market, and we've come so many different times. Love everything they have here. We got spices, kind of like we got at the Disney Spring store, like mixes and stuff. That place is awesome. That's usually at the end. Fruits, vegetables, coasters, you name it, they got it. Awesome place to come on the weekend. And also on Christmas, they have a big tree set up here, ice skating rink on the other end, snow flurries coming out. It's really fun down here. Alright, so as we go along the street, we're gonna come up now to Dazzling. I'm not sure which one. I think this is the regular market one. Oh no, this is the where they have like jewelry, and all these places are closed right now. Some due to the pandemic, some just closed right now because it's so early. So next up, okay, this is Gypsy Moon Market and Curiosities. This store is really fun. And right next door, this is the place that we come into all the time. It's hard for me to remember because it's usually there's a bunch of people and we just flow in store after store. But this is the Market Street Gallery. So next up, we've got Sweet Escape Bakery, Deli, and Desserts. This place I think we've been into a couple times. So we're coming down now. And that's Celebration Avenue. We got some banks, post office over here. And this just looks amazing for Christmas time. It's like that little Hallmark town. And if you just drive around the streets around here, it's just amazing. And you got Jeter Bend down the road.
Never seen it so empty.
Yeah. So this is the Thai restaurant. Another one we haven't been to yet. Another one I want to try. So that's what, 3 so far we haven't been to.
It looks different out here.
It looks plain.
They must have, I know, because it used to be a different setup out here.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering if they did it for social distancing.
They might. But this is definitely one place I want to go to.
So yeah, May 1st they're open. So.
Okay, so they're open. So next up is Once Upon a Time, the cookie dough store. Now this is the edible cookie dough. We've been in here several times. Almost every visit. They do have samples you could try.
And it's, you can get it like a little pints, or they have them. They're very cool.
Yeah.
But they'll let you try them, like if there's a certain flavor. Which
Yeah.
we've tried all of them at one point or another, but we've gotten a couple. It's very sweet. There's no eggs in it. It's all vegan.
The next up is Soft as a Grape. I don't think we've ever once been in the store.
It's never been open when we've been there, I don't think.
No?
No, because we usually come when it's already closed, because we usually come
Yeah.
at dinner time or Sunday mornings. Because like right now, we'd be here for the
For
The market.
yeah. So next up is Imperium Food and Wine.
Yeah, we have not been in here or out here.
Out here, this is more of an outside place. They have a full menu of food, wine, all that good stuff. So next up we have Upper Crust Pizzeria.
Cafe, we have
Market
been to
Street
for
Cafe.
breakfast, and oh my goodness. It was so good.
Yeah, the food here. We only had breakfast here that one day, and it was probably one of the best ones. You're not big on breakfast,
No.
and you were blown away with what you got. And you do have indoor seating, plenty of seating inside,
And they have outdoor seating. which is
plenty of
great.
seating outside as well. So let's take a second and look across the way, the beautiful lake. And they have rocking chairs. And they always have something going on here. Like we see scooters set up every weekend. They'll have the carriage rides at night. So much different stuff going on where you could just come at any point during the day and have something fun to do or see. And there is a gator here.
Carolers.
Yeah, Christmas time they have carolers. They have gators in this pond and ducks that just
Wanna
eat
sit in your lap?
everything.
And ducks that want to come up in your lap.
Yeah, but it's always peaceful and relaxing. This is what we enjoy doing on the weekends. So, yes, this cafe, amazing. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And then we're gonna just keep walking down this way. You got plenty of seating outside. Inside too is pretty big. Probably one of the more spacious restaurants around here.
Celebration Town Ever?
No,
No, this one.
cafe, yeah. Then personally,
Our favorite.
so you're on this one too. This is our favorite restaurant, and we've been here 20 times, 30 times. We've been here probably more than any other restaurant ever. Yeah, and I don't think we really ever had a bad meal here.
No, I've had
Service-
one meal that was a little overcooked once, and those
Yeah.
were my whole belly clams.
Yeah, which can happen. I mean, it was deep fried. It was, you know,
But that was it. Service, we have a couple people that we usually get. We've had
yeah.
service was okay one or two times, but usually we have very attentive staff. The food is good and management's out. There's always a wait though. So
Always.
You come early.
Haven't been here in a long time. This is all the bar area. They do have plenty of seating out here. Food is delicious here. Makes me want it right now. And what's the best thing that you've gotten here? New England clam chowder?
Yes, they're known for the New England clam chowder.
Yep. Clam chowder is amazing. And well,
Lobster bisque
no,
as
no,
well.
before you go any further, clam chowder, we've eaten the #1, I think, dish on Yelp
Yep.
in Seattle, which is the clam chowder place. This is better.
Yes.
Hands down better. That was really good. They have different options and all that. Really good. This one's better.
And that we've had clam chowder in York Beach, Maine, because I'm from New England, and when we went on a trip, and that one was also not as good as this one.
No, this one is phenomenal. The lobster chowder, I like that, but I've started to lean a bit away from that and going towards the New England clam chowder.
I literally will come here and just get clam chowder.
Yeah.
And not-
And down there you have some offices, and actually we didn't even notice at first. You have parking on this side and then in the back of these buildings. Hard to get. Some days it's easier than others, but most of the time very hard to get. So, you know, parking fills up relatively quickly. It's like, now we're gonna go across the street and check out just a couple more places that we've been to. obviously Starbucks, which we've been to, and this is the first, again, fast food place we've been to in such a long time. So we'll head over here. It's a nice little Starbucks. Usually there's seats outside, but they've taken all that up. But don't worry, you got plenty of places to sit and eat out here. And then the final restaurant that we've been to, came here once, and it was kind of like a little whim, and it's a Mexican restaurant. We just got appetizers, I believe. I'll insert some pictures, but it's called Avocado. It was really good. The drinks were really good. The food was really good. You guys can see the menus online. But service in Orlando, no matter where you go, even Disney restaurants are hit or miss. So we don't go expecting great service most of the time. But the food makes up for it, especially in Celebration. And right here we have accounting and tax service. All right, may not need that today. But if you are looking for a home, then finally we come to the hotel here at Celebration. And this is the Celebration Hotel. Been inside once for Christmas time. It was nice. And they also have a Lakeside Grill, which we came in and we couldn't find it. I don't think we were just looking hard enough that day, but this place is always busy. People, right now it's kind of dead with everything going on. But it's nice inside. I'd definitely do a staycation, stay here, eat around the area and all that. And we just got more streets this way. And if you're over in, Orlando, you're just looking for a little getaway from everything, perfect place to come is Celebration. Can't speak high enough about Celebration. I love it. Wife loves it. Anytime we're like, oh, what do we want to do right now? Let's go to Celebration. We'll find things to do. So, hope you guys enjoyed the tour with us. And make sure to check out our other videos. Also subscribe to our channel so you're in the loop, whatever we're doing. Help us grow our channel even more. Hit the notification bell so as soon as we post something, you guys see it. Until next time, bye.